Hello students, now we will continue exercise 2.2. We solve 10th sum. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? In this question, there are some boys and girls in a class, and the ratio of number of boys and number of girls are 7:5. And the condition is the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So we suppose number of boys 7x and number of girls are 5x. And according to this condition, the number of boys will be 8 more than means we add 8 with number of girls. Number of girls is 5x. What is the total class strength? And we will find the total class strength. First we find number of boys and number of girls. Then we find total class strength. Look solution. The number of boys and the number of girls are in the ratio 7:5. Now, let the number of boys be 7x and the number of girls be 5x. Then, according to the question, the condition is number of boys is equal to number of girls plus 8. We add 8 with number of girls because in question there are the condition number of boys is 8 more than, so we add 8 with the number of girls. Now number of boys 7x, so we write 7x. Number of girls 5x, so we write 5x plus 8. So 7x is equal to 5x plus 8. Now we solve this equation by transposition method. When we solve this equation by transposition method, we find x is equal to 4. Clear? You can see the solution of equation and we find x is equal to 4. After finding the value of x, now we find number of boys. Number of boys is 7x. So we put the value of x is 4. So 7 multiply 4. 7 multiply 4, 7 4s are 28. So number of boys is 28. Same we find number of girls. Number of girls is equal to 5x. We put the value of x and 5 4s are 20. So number of girls is 20. Now we find total class strength. Total class strength means number of boys plus number of girls. Total class strength is equal to number of boys 28 and number of girls 20. So we find total class strength is 48. Thus total class strength is 48. Now we will solve next question. Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather and 29 years older than Bharat. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Listen students, in some textbook, Bharat is replaced by Baichung. If in your textbook there is Baichung, then you have to use Baichung instead of Bharat in solution of this question. Clear? Students, read this problem carefully and we will understand what is given in this question and what will we find. So, first statement is Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather and 29 years older than Bharat. So first we suppose the age of Bharat is X. So Bharat's father age will be X plus 29 because Bharat's father 29 years older than Bharat. So we add 29 with Bharat's age. Next, Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather. Now, Bharat's grandfather older than 26 years Bharat's father. Clear? Here written is Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather. Means Bharat's grandfather 26 years older than Bharat's grandfather. So we add 26 with the Bharat's father age. Then the sum of the ages of all the three is 135. Then we find age of each. Clear? Let's solve. Let the age of Bharat be X years. Bharat's father's age is equal to X plus 29 years because Bharat's father 29 years older than the Bharat. Clear? Next, Bharat's grandfather's age will become X plus 29. X plus 29 is the age of Bharat's father. And we add 26 with age of Bharat's father because Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather. So we find Bharat's grandfather age will become X plus 29 plus 26. Now, according to the question, Bharat's age plus Bharat's father's age plus Bharat's grandfather's age. Sum of the ages of all three is 135. Now we write Bharat's age is X. So we write X here. Bharat's father's age is X plus 29 years. So we write X plus 29. Bharat's grandfather's age is X plus 29 plus 26. So we write here X plus 29 plus 26 is equal to 135. Now we open the bracket X plus 29 plus X plus 29 plus 26 is equal to 135. X plus X 2X plus X 3X. So we write 3X. 29 plus 29 plus 26 is 84. So we write 84. So 30X plus 84 is equal to 135. This is an equation. Now we solve this equation by transposition method. When we solve this equation, we get X as 17. So X is equal to 17. X is Bharat's age. So Bharat's age is equal to X and the value of X is 17. So Bharat's age is 17 years. Bharat's father's age will become X plus 29. We put the value of X. 17 plus 29 is equal to 46 years. So Bharat's father's age will become 46 years. Next, Bharat's grandfather's age. Bharat's grandfather's age is X plus 29 plus 26. When we put the value of X, we find 72. So Bharat's grandfather's age will be 72 years. Thus, Bharat's age is 17 years. Bharat's father's age is 46 years. Bharat's grandfather's age is 72 years. Now we solve next question. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So, what is given in this question? 15 years from now. 15 years from now means after 15 years. Ravi's age will be 4 times. Times means multiply. His present age. So first we suppose Ravi's present age is X years. And after 15 years, Ravi's age will be 4x, because 4 times his present age means 4x. What is Ravi's present age? Then we find Ravi's present age. Look at solution. Let Ravi's present age be X years. Clear? 15 years from now means after 15 years. Ravi's age will become X plus 15 years. Clear? We add 15 with X. According to the question, 15 years from now, Ravi's age is equal to 4 times. 4 times means 4 multiply Ravi's present age. So, X plus 15. 15 years from now, Ravi's age is X plus 15. So, we write X plus 15. And Ravi's present age is X. So, we write X. So, we get X plus 15 is equal to 4X. Now, we interchange both the side. So, we get 4X is equal to X plus 15. This is an equation. Now, we will solve this equation by transposition method. And when we solve this equation, we get X is equal to 5. You can see the solution of this equation. So, X is the present age of Ravi. So, we write thus Ravi's present age is 5 years. Now, we will continue this exercise in next video. Thank you.